Hi everybody, it's Nadia here, and I am bringing to you, as you can tell by the title, the new Revolution foundation stick. The thing about this is I've only got one other foundation stick, which is the Hourglass, so I'm not even going to compare it with any other foundation stick. This is the only one I've got, and I chose F2. I think there is one lighter than this, and to say that I ballparked it, I got a really good shade match. And there's not a lot of product. I think there's 6.2 in this. So, but for £5, I don't think anybody can complain for £5 if it suits me and if it suits other people. So with this foundation, they've actually come out with 18 shades, which is really good for a drugstore brand, and it is an extremely affordable drugstore brand. It blows a lot of them out of the water that I've been bringing them out just recently. If you're new to my channel, I would love you to subscribe, and also if you tap the bell, it'll let you know when I bring out more videos. In an absolutely gorgeous package. It's nice and sleek. It feels really not cheap, but still slightly cheap. Obviously it's got the Revolution on there, and the F1 is at the bottom, or F2 sorry, is at the bottom, so you know what shade you are. It's got a nice, the rose gold to match the rose gold writing on it. So I'm just gonna stick with my normal routine, and then I will go on with the Revolution. This is the e.l.f. Aqua Mist. I have primed and I've washed my face and everything. This is just getting the ball rolling, guys. And then I'm going in with the ordinary silicone primer. If this wasn't such a weird colour lip, it won't be so bad. But it is, so I just want to use it. Going in with the NYX colour corrector. So this is the Revolution foundation stick, and I got the colour F2, so I'm hoping it works. It looks very grey. I'm going to try Beauty Blender on one half and my Y6 on the other, and see which works out better. It's not even. I suppose it is working, but it's not. I think I need more foundation. See if that'll be enough. I think the sponge soaked most of that first lot up on this side. So definitely light to medium coverage on the first one on this side, even though I put more on. So let's just buff this cheek in, see what we get. It's extremely light. Let me draw you in so you can see. It's, you can still see everything. This is the one that's had the brush on. This one's had the. So that's a lot of foundation when you think about it. So as you can see, you can still see red marks. But it's quite an even coverage. And put some more on. I think I'm happier with this side than I am with, so the brush side is the one that I'm happier with. So, and I'm not going to go out looking even. So I love you guys, but I ain't going to go out looking uneven. My pores aren't overemphasised. Quite a perfect match actually. Looks quite light in there, but it's on my skin, it's quite a good match. Without a doubt, this is medium. So I will be back once my face is on. So guys, I'm back with this foundation review. This one, the Revolution. So I got an up close personal look. My opinions. It's there. Looks very, very powdery. Now, I'm saying that, but I don't know whether it's because of this powder. I've used the Revolution powder. It's supposed to be translucent, but every time I use a different powder than the RMC, I think it's RMC, RNCA, whatever, I feel like I am really powdery. But this foundation, I put it on at 9, it's now 4:37. So it's been on a good 7 hours, 7.5 hours. And I think it's done pretty good. I really do. It's still on my chin. It's emphasised my pores on my chin. In fact, it's making it look like I've got blackheads, but I haven't. It's not really gone around my nose a little bit. It's not gone on my forehead. You can see it on my face. It's a nice foundation, but it's definitely light to medium coverage, because after I'd finished putting everything on, you could still see like all my freckles underneath. So guys, I'm going to draw you in and show you chin, head. So it hasn't gone, it's settled slightly in this smile line, but then the smile line's constantly there. It's not like if I move it. So this is where I said it's gone a little bit on my chin, on my nose. So, but like I said in the past, for some reason whenever I wear makeup I'm always, don't know why, it's on my forehead. But this is what I'm trying to say, and I've got you as close as I possibly can now, but you can still see all of my natural colouring underneath. So for this foundation, guys, I think it's absolutely brilliant. I'm not knocking it. £5, guys, £5. Definitely worth it. I would like to test it in the summer, because when it's winter, I'm finding that when it's winter, all my foundations are staying on my chin, on my forehead. In the summer, I lose it. So yes, I would recommend this for normal to combo. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want any other foundation reviews or anything, then let me know down in the comments below. And I would love to know what your favourite foundation is that you love, drugstore, high-end, just even if it's just a one-word comment, drugstore, high-end, what your favourite one is. I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys in my next one.